Welcome to Photoshop, and today I'm going to show you 3 little quick tips that's going to help you view your images inside of Adobe Photoshop. Now the first one, we're going to come up here to View and scroll down to Screen Mode. Right now we are in Standard Screen Mode. We also have Full Screen Mode with Menu Bar and Full Screen Mode. Now, to simply go to one of these different views, all you have to do is select it and you'll easily go to that menu. But I'm going to show you a quicker, easier way so you don't have to kind of come up here and do that. And all you have to do is simply hit the letter F, F as in Frank, on your keyboard. So if I hit F, it's going to go to full screen with menus. So we can see we're full screen and we have menus. Now the issue is if you have some palette windows open over here, they're going to be in the way of your image because it's centering your image. You can close these and then you're going to be able to view your whole image. Now, if you have a second monitor, you can move these guys over here to your second monitor and they'll be out of the way. But if you don't, you're going to have to either make them smaller or constantly open and close the images. So this is something you need to decide whether it's helpful to you or not to you. The next thing we're going to do is hit the letter F again. That's going to go to full screen mode. So you'll notice that all your menus are gone. They're still there. You can kind of hover over them to get back to them. But this is basically just a view to let you look at your image so it's nice and clean so you can see what it looks like. And to get back to the beginning, you're just going to simply hit the letter F again. And then once again, you're back to where you were before and you can open your window. It looks just how it was in the beginning. If you want to toggle through those, all you have to do is hit F, 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 and it will toggle through those different views. The next one is to bring up your rulers. To bring up your rulers, all you have to do is go up to View, down to Rulers. And you can see the quick key here is Command R, but we'll just go in and once again, I have rulers. Now you can go into your preferences up in here into units and rulers, and you can set this however you want. So if you want this in inches, centimeters, pixels, however you want it to be, you can set that. And then once you change it, it will show up here. So you can see this image is set up and we have ruler there and a ruler there. This will help you align stuff. Now, a second method to help you align is using guides. So to get a guide, if you go into the ruler right here in this little space from here to here or here to here inside that ruler, and you click down with your mouse or your tool or your pen and you drag over, you're going to get what's called a guideline. So if I do it up here, it's going to give me a horizontal guideline. These guidelines don't actually show up on your image, but they can help you align text or any information there. So I can come down here, get my text tool, and we'll just use that. That looks pretty good. And then I can come over here and drag this, and it will snap right to those guides, and that's going to help you align it. Then if you want to add more text, it will help you align it down this way or this way, however you set up those guides. And you can have as many guides on the page as you want. Now to hide those guides is really easy. It's Command semicolon. And if you want them back, Command semicolon brings those guides back again. Once again, to go through the screen modes is F, F, F. Bring up your rulers, it's Command R. And to either hide or show your guides, it's Command semicolon, Command semicolon. So hopefully these quick tips have been helpful and allow you to align stuff inside of Photoshop. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.